Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Boris on Bikes. Today, we have a special for you. It is a New Year's ride that GP Motorcycles holds every single year. And, cool. So here's all the motorbikes. Got Ducati, KTM, Ducati, Aprilia, Ducati. Let's take a look at all the bikes that are here and try not to get hit by a car. Okay, Ducati, my MV, Ducati, SV 1000, yes, Triumph, Ducati, Aprilia, Ducati, KTM, Ducati, and a Royal Enfield. Excuse me, sir. And a Harley Davidson. Goose. Duck, goose. Cool.
Happy New Year's, brother.
What's up, man? Happy New Year's. That is Paul. He's the owner of GP. Cool guy. And this is his getup right here. Look at that. It's got hand shifters up and down. Quick shifter. That's so awesome. And his wheelchair goes in the back. That's awesome. And we're off. Oh crap, I can't talk. And we're off. God, look at so many bikes. This is awesome. Tadada. Hello, Tadada. Oh wow, the noise. Oh, Royal Enfield broke down already. Oh, that sucks. So basically they do this every single year. I think it's the first Sunday out of every single year that they do this. Come on, everybody. I don't know how much money is actually on the road right now. This is kind of ridiculous. So many bikes. It's ridiculous. Look at that. That is just insane. He's so pissed. Man, this is where he goes off. Bye, Paul. You did well, my friend. And this is where I have no more service. And the music dies. Oh well. Hi, Hossie. Hi, Hossie. Wow. Look at the scenery here. It's beautiful. And these turns are freaking awesome. What a great road. Wow. Ah, I'm getting pelted by rocks. Boo boo. Oh, a cyclist. Oh my god, there's so many obstacles here. I'm not used to this. Hi, Ozzy. Jabatul Valley. Capital. We're headed to Capital. Hey, girls. The weather's behaving. It is 59 degrees. It's pretty freaking warm. It's not bad for a winter's day. It's pretty freaking sunny. Hello. Fire danger is very high today, says Smokey the Bear. You should probably listen to Smokey. He knows what's up. Ow. That was a rock in my shield. Thanks, Todd-da. That was a rock on my boot. Todd, stop flinging rocks at me, bruh. A lot of people got split up right there. I don't know where anybody went. So we're gonna continue straight, I think. Because I have no idea where I'm going. That was a fun little run. I wonder how Todd's doing on gas. Huh.
A few moments later.
So we left the other group because they were going somewhere further. Mr. Todd in the front needed some gasoline. So, so we're gonna go ahead and split off and go to Julian, get some gas and use the restroom and maybe have some food and warm up and all that good stuff. Oh god, these roads are so bumpy. I never noticed that before. I've taken this road so many times and it's been fine. And now that I gotta pee, these bumps are not helping. Yay, Julian! One of the Ducati guys ended up here. Dead bugs. That's for you, buddy, Yoshi. That's for you. It's one of your specialized homies. Smashing down the hills of Julian and this area. So this is the European porta potties, apparently. There's nothing European about them.
Really bad shape in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll wait for the other one.
It's pretty tore up.
I will wait.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
Hey,
There you go.
thank you, sir.
I left some paper in there for you guys.
Cool. Oh god, that's disgusting. That's not European at all. Alright, all fueled up, ready to go. Ooh, look at that Indian. Huge. Oh my god, that smells so good. Oh. My bike just shut off. Yeah. I think it just became Italian all of a sudden, but it started right back up again. Freaking weird ass bike. that Stingray. That thing is sick. Beautiful. Turbojet? Is that thing turbo? Is it in the era where everything that was cool was turbo? Turbo razor blade, turbo hair dryer. Oh yeah. That is pretty. 4-speed. Cool. It's like a dark midnight purple color. Whoops. Sorry, buddy. Thing's badass. Oh, that was really good. What's it called? The Apple Country Restaurant? Yeah, that place is pretty good. On we go, sir. There's a tumbleweed. Oh god. That's cool. Oh, 120 something miles later, we end up at Cycle Gear, of course. This is seriously like my home away from home. I'm here like every single day.